a lot of information, but
Right.
definitely everyone will not go to that site and look. People only when they need, they go.
Yeah.
The main intention of this particular show or the live video podcast is to bring awareness. At least people who listen to that, they know that there are 9 different areas where the Attorney General works on and which you belong. Looks like you are very, very associated with the community, especially in the real estate, transportation, and also the business.
Yeah.
So that's very, very important, and all the viewers should understand that more on these laws, and if anyone wants any suggestions, recommendations, you're always there. So that's very fantastic. And how is your role? Is it stressful because you deal with the government, public sort of things? How is your role? Is it smooth or is it stressful, Anna?
Day to day, it is, I won't say it's stressful. I will say that everything that comes across my desk is not anything like what I will have seen the day before. Every day, it's a different issue. We can the only common factor that we have is the agencies that send it to us. But besides that, the issues and the cases and the people involved and the minute details are very, very, very different from any case I will have seen. So I'm never bored. Everything is, I'm learning on the go. Everything is just like you would access something and not know exactly where the state falls on it. We research it. We make sure that we're current with it. And because it's so different, that my practice is different, it's not the same forms I'm filling out. It's good. It keeps you on your toes. It keeps you, like I said, current. You don't want to get into the stale habit of, well, this is how it is, and this is exactly how we've been doing it, and that's all there will be. I will say, since the time that I've joined the AG's office, there's so many people here who are and have been serving, the state of Georgia in their positions for about 20, 25 years. And even they'll tell you that nothing is the same.
Absolutely.
So that's great. So I won't say it's stressful. I'll say it's exciting and it's new and it's different every day. The great thing about the fact that I am a government state attorney is that we become, and as opposed to, I'm only comparing this to private sector, to people who either work in small or mid-sized firms that do a specific type of legal work. I will say that as a government state attorney, you have a broader spectrum and you have more variety in your work. And dare I say, you also get in the big boy type of cases because of the simple fact that if the state is named and if the state officials are named, what you're saying and what you're filing with the court, and really even any court's expectations of you are quite high, and you keep that standard. And so that's something that is reiterated to us, and it's very clear that anything that is filed or any argument that's made by somebody that associates themselves to the Attorney General's office is something that is scrutinized and public, actually. And you need to be careful with how you phrase and how you say things, as opposed to somebody that would be able to go and be a pro se plaintiff and really make any facts and states of the case. It's just how it is. We are held to a higher standard and a higher, almost ethical ground, because we're supposed to know, and because, of course, we represent the state and therefore the residents of the state. So